Ndũmĩrĩri-inĩ ĩrĩa kanitha wa AIPCA ũrekereirie kuma gĩikaro-inĩ kĩaguo mwena wa Bahati Nairobi, yorotetie amwe a ateti a Kiambu nĩ gũtumũra gĩconoko kanitha-inĩ kuona arũmĩrĩri ao nĩo mauganagĩrĩria. Kũringana na mũhunjia Gabriel Kanjiri ũrĩa ũrekereirie ndũmĩrĩri ĩno, kanitha ũrĩ na ũira wa gũkuruhania ateti na gĩthagathago kĩrĩa kĩyumĩririe. Kanitha ũkiuga ũrĩ na ũira mũiganu wa kuonania ũrĩa gĩthagathago gĩkĩ gĩabangirwo.
Condemnation of partisan by virtue of supporting church programs financially, they automatically assume membership, which is not the right procedure of one becoming an AIPCA member. Yes. For one to be a member of AIPCA, congregants, a congregation, one needs to approach the priest in charge. For instance, the church in which one feels okay to worship at, he needs to consult the priest in charge. After that, the priest in charge takes the person through classes. After that, the person is duly registered with the church, and from there, the person is confirmed as an AIPCA member, and the rest of the procedure follows, having the sacrament, the seventh sacrament, and the others.
Nĩ ndeto yatigiria arũmĩrĩri a kanitha ũyũ kinyi gwĩkora ndoro-inĩ ũteti. Oho kanitha nĩ ugĩte nĩ ũndũ wa kĩeha kuona ateti magĩtũmĩra itambaya cia atumia kanitha ũru na njĩra ya kũhe arũmĩrĩri ao.
Credible evidence exists in form of videos, mobilization messages, and transaction communications showing organized recruitment and payment prior to Sunday services. Youth and unsuspecting church members were manipulated and used as political tools. Specifically cite politicians present during the Sunday event at Gatundu as being directly linked to this orchestration. In one alarming video, one member of the parliament is clearly seen during the church service directing the hired group through hard gestures to intensify booing against other politicians. This conduct is shameful, immoral, and sacrilegious. AIPCA women head scarves are a sacred symbol of faith, service, humility, and devotion to God, not political costumes. Their misuse degrades women of faith, insults the church, and mocks the holiness of worship.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Mathiũ Ndung'u wa Mbũgua.